What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we do have the highly anticipated video of the people that did win the 5 model giveaway. First, I'd like to thank all of you guys for entering, and second, I would like to thank all of you for 4,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. If you did not win, I will be doing plenty more giveaways in the future. I am planning to do bigger ones such as 10 models, and also this was the US only giveaway, and I do plan on doing a international giveaway hopefully sometime in the future. So I do apologize if you weren't able to enter on this one, but you will have a chance to enter into the next one, which will be very soon. Also, we do have a lot of new exciting videos coming out, like more trip reports, as well as Denver Airport is nearing completion, as well as another surprise airport, which you can find in the description. I finally put the name of my surprise airport. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. All I have to do is click, I think, this button or something, and it'll pick a random person out of all 550 people that entered, as you can see up here. What I will be doing is the first winner will get the first choice of model, the second winner will get the second choice of model, the third winner will get the third choice of model, etc., and the fifth person will get the last choice of the model. So we will get straight into the winners. As you can see, I have all of the entries right here, 550 of them, which is quite a bit of people. So we will dive straight into the random selecting. Obviously, I don't have any way of cheating the system because there's 550 people, and this website is an official website, and it picks random people from here. So we will dive straight into it. So for the first winner, I think I just press this. Yes. So this will be the first choice of model. And the winner is Colorado Plane Spotter. So you will be the first winner, so please DM me on Instagram or leave a comment down below, and we'll find some way to contact each other. You'll get to pick the model first, and then the second will pick it, and obviously I'll pay for shipping and all that good stuff, and we'll give more details down below. Alright, for the second winner, obviously you can't win twice, I just like to say that. So the second winner will be, drum roll please, will be, wait for it, Gemini George 400. So you are the second winner of the giveaway. Congratulations. Please leave a comment down below or DM me on Instagram. Rolling number 3 for the third winner, we have, let's see, we have Nathan_Leo. So please DM me. That is your Instagram. So please DM me if you are watching this video. Obviously, you'll have 24 hours to DM me, and then I will repick if you do not answer. Alright, on to the fourth winner of the giveaway. As I did mention, I do plan on doing more giveaways as well as international ones coming soon. The fourth winner of the giveaway is just_plain_awesome with the YouTube nick. I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry, but please DM me on Instagram or leave a comment down below. And for the last winner, we'll roll it. The last winner of the giveaway will be, drum roll please, 787_dream_. Please leave a comment down below or DM me on Instagram. Obviously, if you did not win, I am super sorry about that, but if one of these 5 people do not respond, then you do have a chance of winning. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'd like to also thank you for everybody who entered. As I've said multiple times, I do have plenty more giveaways, as well as bigger giveaways in the future that I'm excited about. So that'll be very exciting, as well as Denver Airport updates and trip reports. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.